The Bengal blockbuster, let's shift our focus to the Tamil Nadu thriller. What's happening in the state of Tamil Nadu? Currently, all eyes are going to be on that press conference of the CPI and the VCK. Let's get you the breaking news input that's now coming in. This is a blockbuster backing for Vijay after days of suspense. An official support letter that has come in. There are two more MLAs who have added to Vijay's tally. Two CPI MLAs have now given a letter. CPI has also handed over this letter. We're also getting to know that both the left parties, the CPI and the CPM, are ready to back Vijay, and there's going to be a press conference. So right now, decks are cleared. Maybe the numbers are also firming up strongly. Those are pictures of celebrations of the TVK cadre. We saw the women cadre there with their whistles. They were absolutely jubilant. Going across to Pratibha. Pratibha, you are outside the TVK headquarters, and we've been seeing ecstatic scenes there. TVK cadre are already celebrating. The focus is also on that press conference that's going to take place. And we know one of the top leaders of the TVK is also present there. Take us through the latest updates.
So this is a very big update coming in. CPI giving its letter of support, which means that the numbers are adding up, which means that decks are getting cleared for Vijay to take oath as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. This is a very big update because over the last few hours, there were questions on whether these parties will support or not and what are the conditions that they will put forward. But the letter suggests that it could be an unconditional support to Vijay. So a lot expected in the next few hours. As of now, that suspense may just be ending. In just a short while from now, we're going to have the press briefing from the three parties, the CPI, the CPM and the VCK, extending their support to the TVK. With that, Vijay is going to reach that finish line of 118. He is going to have the requisite numbers that the governor was asking for.
And now, I'll have to stop you there because we have quick breaking news updates now coming in. The latest information that we have for our viewers is that Vijay may go to the TVK headquarters and to office to thank the parties, to the CPI office, beg your pardon. So Vijay may go to the CPI office to thank the parties for support. So another big update coming in. The VCK chief is also reaching the office, and he will also hand over a letter to CTR Nirmal. So right now, going across to my colleague Meghna, who has the letter that the CPI has handed over to TVK's to the TVK leader. Meghna, take us through the details of the letter.
Well, this is exactly what Vijay wanted. With the CPI officially on board, I'm going to show you the letter. You can expect the CPM to follow suit as well as the VCK. The three of them en masse, it is going to be expected, will now be backing Vijay and his party. So this is the unconditional letter of support, because a lot has been said about the pound of flesh that the left parties may have won. However, this letter says it's an unconditional letter of support under the instructions of our party secretary, the Legislative Party of Communist Party of India, of Tamil Nadu Assembly, on behalf of our two members of the Legislative Assembly, do hereby convey our unconditional support to the TVK under the leadership of its president and Legislative Party leader, C. Joseph Vijay, for the purpose of formation of the government in the state of Tamil Nadu. This support is extended pursuant to the results of General Assembly elections held to the states and is being conveyed in the interest of a stable, secular, democratic governance for the people of Tamil Nadu. So essentially, they have, it appears, put in that rider that do not want to ally with the BJP in any capacity. But with this, it's going to be significant. It's 2 out of the 6 that he's likely to get from this block, which is going to be the CPI, the CPIM and the VCK, which is expected to follow suit as well. So with that, Vijay was short of 10. He's got 5 coming in from the Congress. And if he gets these 6, then he sails home safe.